Well, hello and welcome again to Edison Light Globes video. I'm Phil Greenwood, and today I haven't got a microphone. This is just a piece of a light fitting. But today what we're going to do is going to explain to you what we've been doing in the lead up to Christmas. We haven't been that busy, so what we've been doing is working on new products, new designs, new ideas. And the first one I'd like to show you is this wonderful big Sputnik from Massimo, who we're not building this for our regular range. This is just a one-off for Massimo's project, but it encapsulates a whole lot of various parts. This has got little shade pieces that go on. It's also what's very interesting is this material we've used here is it's welded mild steel, but we've powder coated with like a chrome. It's a dull chrome look to seal it all, which actually has been a bit of an experiment, but it seems to have worked really well. So mild steel, bent, you know, shaped, welded, and then powder coated with a stainless steel look. It's a good result. So we'll probably continue to do this powder coat finish on a few of our products internally. But for now, we'll say goodbye to Massimo's Light. This just does look a little bit like something from The Fifth Element, but I'm interested to see how it turns out. We'll show you when it's finished. But the next thing I'll show you is another big light. Follow me. If you can walk that way. Can you walk down? So the issue we had was billiard table lights haven't been big enough. Not big enough shades, big enough fittings, cover bigger tables. So what we did was we decided to create a larger billiard table light. And this is the light in here. You can show them that, Louis. I'll put it on. So what this is it's a longer four-light billiard table light, but this particular product only has larger shades. So these are 14-inch shades. We have some cones coming, some domes, some bigger shades. So they're all larger shades, as well as being a wider fitting. So what this does, it gives us coverage over a bigger table where you're using it specifically for a billiard table. So it can go across the length of the table. It could go across the width, but it's probably even a bit too big for that. So in keeping with the big billiard table problem, we've got another light out here, which I'll show you, which we're working on. So you should be able to see down here. This is a four lamp, you're going all over the place. A 4-lamp fitting, go down. A 4-lamp fitting designed to go on a 12-foot by 6-foot table, but obviously it's designed to be a light that is a pair. So you need 2 of these, and it will really cover a full-size billiard table really well. I'll try and show you. The problem we had, obviously with such a long fitting, we needed to brace these arms, and so we've decided to use a little bit of chain. We've still got to get little tensioners on these, and we've got to create one in probably polished brass, different shades when they come in, we'll have it on. But we'll have this finished probably early in the new year, where we can turn it on and photograph it in the studio. But again, it's a massive thing, and we're not sure how to ship it, but that will be a version of a billiard table light, oops, to go over a full-size table. So the last thing we're working on this year is this one job where we're refitting the Texas rigger lights that we got in a while ago. If you've seen our previous videos, now these are aluminium case old fluoros, and we install a driver and little LED tubes. So we make up these tubes. I'll show you here. We make up these tubes out of aluminium component made for LED strip and clear caps. So we just make up a length of those, make up special clips in our printer, the 3D printer, and clean them all up, put them right back together, and hopefully they suffice. But there's a few others here in, Massimo's doing fly strainers again. There's a few other here, we're just finishing these off. Oh yeah, this is as they go in. This is the small part which is our 3D printed component. I can't get those out, but they do come out, and they, oh, there it is there. It just allows the tubes to actually be removed if they need to be replaced, and sponge fits them into like a spring fitting. So there you have it. I don't know if there's another one. I don't think there's any more. Okay, so that's all we have for this video. We'll probably now go knock off for Christmas. We've had a rough year. Everybody's had a rough year. Hopefully everything will get back to normal next year, but we'll have a few new products. We'll continue to work on design for various reasons, for various purposes. If you like our videos, subscribe, click on the thumbs up, all those things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next year.